Hello guys. So so we know what are the problems with the bag of words model. So today we will see what is text normalization so that we can rectify the problems of the bag of words model. So when a language contains words that are derived from another word as their use in the speech changes is called the inflected language. Stemming and lemmatization techniques are used to prepare text words and documents for further processing. Stemming and lemmatization are widely used in tagging system, indexing, SEO, web search result, and information retrieval. So, what is actually an inflected language means we are deriving a word from a word. Okay. So, I will give you an example and how this text normalization will rectify the issue of bag of words. I will tell you. Okay. So, suppose we have four words: loved, lovely, loves, and love. So the root word for all these words are love. Okay, root word is love for these all four words. So if I normalize this text into the root form, so we will remove four words and we have only one word. Okay, so suppose we have a document with 10,000 words. Okay, suppose we have a document of 10,000 words. Now look, you can also suppose if we have a document of 10,000 words, how many words will be there like this? Inflected words. These words are inflected words because loved, lovely, and loves inflected from love. Okay, love is the root word. So if I normalize these words like this, suppose I have normalized these words like this in the root form, so we will minimize our vector in very less number of columns. So this is the method of the text normalization. So we can rectify the issue of bag of words, because there is an issue in bag of words what the vector will be a sparse and very large number of size. Suppose we have reduced 2000 columns from this method, then we have left with 8000 words. Okay, so we will perform the text normalization on our bag of words. So this is all about the text normalization, and we will see the lemmatization and stemming in the upcoming videos from which the text normalization is performed.